What up, guys? Oof, too sweaty. Gotta change. That's better. What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark here, and today I'm going to give you guys an idea on how to make your YouTube content. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. So let's get right to it. There's a lot of ideas that you can think of. You can do a story time, you can do a weekly vlog of your life, or you can do a travel vlog. You can do a life hack, or maybe facts about yourself that everyone doesn't know, or anything about your life. You can do a baking tutorial. You can also do a meal tutorial. You can do like a food porn, your reactions to a certain kind of video. But when it comes to gaming, if you're into gaming, you can actually do a game review, or maybe setting up your game. You can also do a tutorial on how to play a game, a certain game. You can do a product review when you bought something in an online store or any shops. You can do a social experiment. You can do a movie review. If you're into fashion, you can do a fashion blog, or what to wear in a certain kind of day. You can do a makeup tutorial. You can do an editing tutorial if you're good in editing videos or photography. Or you can do a social experiment. But don't go too far because you might end up hurting yourself. Just be safe, guys. You can make a mystery video, like what's in the dark web, or something caught in your camera and you want to share the whole world what is it. There are a lot of ideas that you can think of, guys. I hope these ideas can help you with your future use of making videos. So, well, I hope this video can help you with your ideas in making a video in the future. Yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys.